It's modded. So it's been a few days since the room's modded the subframe. I was gonna install it the same day or the day after, but the day after was raining, so was the day after that. And looking at the forecast, today's the only sunny day that there is, so I want to get this installed and all this surface rust cleared. So I just want to get rid of this rust and make sure that it doesn't get rust again. First things first, I'm gonna lay some flat black onto the subframe, that way it doesn't rust up. Sandpaper. You have bought these S14 front subframe and back subframe, and because you have running old IKEA formula, and these came with actual pretty good arms, he's giving me his arm, and yeah. So this side is now officially dry. I'm gonna go flip it over, sand the backside where it needs to be sanded, and then paint the backside.
Tell me what I would have done before. Now I live whatever happened to me. Look bold and headstrong, but that's just a ploy.
Alright, so room's vacuuming in the back, but I'm taking off all the surface rust right now. My hands hurt, so it's been about 15 to 20 minutes of grinding, and majority of it is already off. Room pointed out a good thing. I do need to take off the back side, so behind the front support, there's still rust that's building up on the back, and so I'm gonna try to take all that off. But let me show you guys how much I got done and what's left to do. So right here. So this is all right here. That's all gone. I still have this one to go through. I can't reach this area, sadly. I'm gonna try to though as much as I can. And then I don't know if you guys will be able to see this, but there's a little rust buildup right there. And that's it. And then I can primer it and bedliner it. Yo, how's that? Yo. Oh, look at that
Well, can you go turn it off?
So, I bolted this thing back into place in 5 seconds. It's taken Ruben about 10 minutes. Come on.
Way to go, Eddie. Taking all the credit. Freaking. Hope you feel good about yourself, Dick. Give me the freaking ratchet.
Here.
Wait up. Give me the ratchet. Okay.
That's disrespectful.
I can live with that. I can freaking live with that.
Tell me what I would have done before. Now
You have all the impulse for this shit.
whatever happened to
Maybe your belt used to be red.
Look bold and headstrong, that's just a ploy.
So Mark is screwed on a bolt. Oh,
Heartache, how to deploy. Love me now, it's real, don't pretend. So long.
Thoughts and opinions.
Style doesn't exist.
You're supposed to plead the fifth, bro. Anyways, I did make a sticker for the back. So, I have a film. If you guys don't know, I'm sure majority of you guys have seen it, but I have a film called Style Still Exists of Ruben's car. And I really like the font that I was using it, so I made a Style Still Exists, and then in Japanese it says Style Still Exists. At least according to Google Translate it does. That's gonna go like that on the back, but it's gonna be a little bit curved too. But yeah, thanks to Ruben and Eddie coming over and helping me put on the suspension. And Eddie did some filming for me with rust removal on the front like support.
bruh, I know the filming's fire. Follow me at Groovy Ed on Insta. Yeah.
Yeah, freaking recipes to these jack stands, yo. Sorry, Ruben. Because the subframe is shorter, it is a lot harder to put on, or more of a pain to put on, and Ruben pretty much assembled that for me. And yeah, this is how the car looks like now. It's not fully assembled yet. It's just our tension rod, lower control arm, and knuckle, and we just slid the hub on. So I'm not going to put it on the floor yet just because I don't have this bolt. The bolt seized up while removing it when Villains did, so I'm going to order a new one of those and hopefully just prime it over so it's here in like 2 days. So besides that, I do need to put these in. Villains also sends you tie rods, this angle kit. According to Ruben, because it's modified, you have longer and shorter tie rods. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, so I'm just going to take Ruben's word for it.
If you're uncomfortable, then kick that shit. Okay, dump it with sure.
Love me now, it's real, don't pretend. So long, try and talk to you, but it's tense. Don't go. Love me now, it's real, don't pretend. So long, try and talk to you, but it's tense. Don't go.
That is snow if I've ever seen it. It's not sticking, but it's snowing. But that's not the reason why I'm out here. So, my car was leaking, right? And I was like, it's the sunroof, that's it. So I got that patched up. It's not leaking from the sunroof anymore. But look at this. You open up the car, right? So, right, we open up the car. No water. Waterless. If you look up here, what is that? Water. Oh no, that's not water. What the hell is that? Dried up water. What is this? Look at it. What is it? Probably won't be visible on video, but if you do that, there's a little like opening on this seam. So this is leaking. I'm going to try to get someone out here to replace this as soon as possible. And fingers crossed it doesn't leak anymore, so I can install my interior. I was gonna do my rear seats, then I found those puddles and I was like, yup, that ain't happening. But yeah. Anyways, the quarter glass does leak. Trying to get someone to reseal it as soon as possible so that the car can be on the floor and actually drive without having a leaky interior. But yeah, this is the outro to the vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I'm gonna go get some sushi, but I'll see you guys in the next one.
Love me now, it's real, don't pretend.